Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Smartsheet dashboards with live reports detailed guide step by step clearly. To update Smartsheet dashboards with live reports, begin by logging into your Smartsheet account. Navigate to the dashboard you want to update. Click on the Edit button in the top right corner of the dashboard. Locate the report widget that requires updating or add a new report widget. To add a new report widget, click on the plus icon and select Report. Choose the specific report you wish to display on the dashboard. Select the report settings to customize your display preferences. Adjust the columns to show in the widget as needed for clarity. Decide how you want the data displayed, whether in a table, chart, or summary view. Confirm that the report settings are accurate and click Save. If updating an existing report widget, select it and click Edit. This brings up the settings for that particular report widget. Review the data source and ensure it reflects the most recent information. You may want to refresh the data by clicking the Refresh button if available. Adjust display settings as needed, ensuring all relevant data points are visible. Click Save to apply the changes to the widget. Preview the dashboard to ensure everything displays correctly. Make any additional adjustments if necessary to optimize the visual layout. Once satisfied with the updated dashboard, click Done to finalize changes. Your Smartsheet dashboard is now updated with live reports, providing the latest information at a glance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.